AAG recommends this bungalow house. Can park 2 cars. Private pool that you can jump right in from your unit. Spacious living room. Comes with 1 private lift. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Good-sized rooms. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.